Let's talk about the latest launched Xiaomi smartphone Poco C71 with premium split grid design. Now let's talk about the specifications of this smartphone. Firstly, talk about the display of this smartphone. This phone features with IPS LCD display, with 6.88 inches HD plus water drop notch. Display. Resolution of 720 by 1640 pixels, approximately 260 ppi pixel density, 600 nits peak brightness, and 120 Hz refresh rate. And now talk about the camera of this smartphone. The smartphone with dual camera setup on the rear that includes 32 megapixel wide-angle main camera with aperture 1.75, along with auxiliary lens camera. For selfies it has 8 megapixel centered punch hole wide-angle front-facing camera with aperture 2.0, video recording maximum 1080p at 30 fps on both rear and front camera. For the software, the handset turns on Android 15 operating system, based on exclusive optimized version of HyperOS screen on top the device, and the company provides up to 2 years of major Android upgrades and up to 4 years of security updates. Under the hood, the phone CPU is octa-core 1.8 GHz dual-core Cortex-A75 plus 1.6 GHz hexa-core Cortex-A55, powered by Unisoc T7250 12nm chipset, paired with Mali G57 MP1 GPU. In terms of storage, the smartphone plugs with 4 GB, 6 GB of LPDDR4X RAM, with 4 GB, 6 GB of extended RAM, and 64 GB, 128 GB of eMMC 5.1 onboard storage, which is further expandable up to 2 TB dedicated microSD card slot. The physical dimensions of the smartphone measures at 171.79 by 77.8 by 8.26 millimeters, and it weighs around 193 grams, and the color options, power black, desert gold, cool blue colors to see in this smartphone, and the device comes backed by a massive 5200 mAh battery, with 15-watt wired fast charging support. Additionally, the smartphone also features side-mounted fingerprint sensor for biometric authentication, with face unlock. The connectivity option on the phone includes dual SIM 4G, dual band, Wi-Fi 5, Bluetooth 5.2, GPS, 3.5mm headphone jack, with mono speaker support, FM radio support, IP52 dust and splash resistant, and a USB Type-C charging port. So now let's have a look at the pricing details of the smartphone. The Poco C71 4G has been priced for 4 GB plus 64 GB storage variant at 6,499 Indian rupees, while 6 GB plus 128 GB storage variant at 7,499 Indian rupees. Conclusion: so what do you guys think of this Poco C71 4G smartphone? Do let us know in the comment section below and subscribe for more tech updates. Thanks for watching. We'll see you guys in our next video.